Alright, hi guys. So we're gonna get into this video here. So I just want to show you guys off the bat how my hair looks. I just washed it. I haven't seen I only saw one video on YouTube where they were doing tape-ins with natural hair. Like when I say natural hair, the hair's not blow dried, the hair's not straightened. I was like, what's the whole point of straightening and blow drying your hair if you're putting in tape-ins if the hair is just gonna be how my hair actually looks? I'll give you guys a closer up view. This is how my curl pattern is. And we're currently doing a sponsorship right now with tape-ins. I'm actually gonna try tape-ins. My hair's obviously like dry now, but I was like, I need to wear my natural hair more often. Like I'm wearing wigs and stuff, and look at all this hair that I have under, and the brown just looks like really nice with it. What have I been doing all this time? I actually got a TikTok sponsorship with them too, and I'm so excited. I'm like, so yeah, that's what we're doing. Coming! Yeah, so I'm so excited. I'm like, me get a sponsorship with TikTok. I only have 200 followers, so yeah. So I like the brown. I was like, oh, I should dye my actual real hair brown. I've been telling you guys this, that I don't, like black hair looks boring on me. And brown just gives me more of a, ooh, who is she kind of look. And it's very subtle. This brown is very subtle. So I want to dye my whole entire hair this brown. But this brown is actually from bleach that I did like last year, December. Yeah, and it's just fading out to brown now. Look at it. It looks good, guys. Okay, these are the tape-ins. You guys are like, oh my god, but it's black. It's gonna look good when we're done because it's gonna be mixed in. It's gonna look like black and brown tape-ins. So yeah. Hey guys, I am back from the collab. It was a fail, so I'm not gonna do the collab because I don't have 4C hair. I learned today that I don't have 4C hair. For the longest time, I thought I had like in the 4s, but I clearly don't because this is supposed to mimic 4C hair, but I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave my hair like this because I wasted my whole day. Well, not my whole day, like probably 4 hours. How many hours were we doing this for? Maybe 1 or 2 hours. I'm being extra. Maybe 1 or 2 hours. And I always say because it doesn't match. But these are good quality and stuff. It's sad. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow again, and then all of it's gonna fall out. So. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat tacos. So this is the one that we got. What are these? Hard tacos or soft tacos? I don't know. One of them are hard. One of them are soft. Yeah, so we got one hard, one. Oh, these ones are the soft ones. These tacos. Oh, this is it right here. You have to season it. I'm gonna cut cheese, but we need to find the grater. What cheese do you have? The block cheese? Yes, the block cheese. Okay, I got 2 containers. Can I mix the ground beef for me? Okay. Cook with me.
You have to accept it as well.
Okay, we're gonna make some tacos.
Hiring for a secretary, that the hours would be.
Okay, I'm gonna cut up and put them in here.
Okay, sorry about that.
6. That means it's time to take it out. Okay, we're gonna cut the cheese, but I can't find the grater. Small squares.
Yeah, just give me a second. You got a new hairstyle?
Iceberg lettuce. Let's cook this right now. I'm gonna cut up some lettuce. Okay, shipping, what is it called?
Company.
Shipping company essentials. So you need the scissors, the markers, and tape. Then if you have saran wrap, you need saran wrap. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the barrel we're going to be using. Sorry guys, I didn't bring it to Danforth, so it's empty. And we're gonna pack at the shipping company once we go. So it's inside. Okay, all aboard. Okay, there's like 2 things I need to pick up from here. So come with me. It's now or never. This Walmart's so ghetto. You have to pay for carts. What? I can't believe this. It's been like the 3rd Walmart I've been to. I look bad, but I can't find a rice cooker. It doesn't make any sense. And I'm not paying $200 for a rice cooker. I bought a rice cooker from here and it was like, how much? I bought like it for like $30. So where are they? Where are now? Okay, here we are. We're waiting in line. Yeah. Huh?
Is there a UPS in here?
I don't know. This is a...
Is the iPhone charger with you?
No. Came back. I forgot a pressure cooker, so I had to run back in for the pressure cooker. I'm just waiting on my sister. She went to go to the charger. I was like, the whole time I was looking for a rice cooker and I'm cussing off the people. Well, I'm like I wasn't getting upset, but I'm like, I need help. I can't find a rice cooker. The whole time I had a rice cooker in the cart. I thought it was a pressure cooker. And then so I bought the rice cooker and now I'm getting the pressure cooker. So yeah. I'm just waiting for my sister. Why is she taking so long? Okay. Yeah, so here are all the stuff. I think I can bend up the wheel. We're en route now. In some big Papa's van.
Why you laughing?
Because that's how you turn it. There's a Tim Hortons drive-thru here.
There's Tim Hortons everywhere in Annesha.
Yeah, so we're just getting gas now. We got the rice cooker, which is over there, and then the pressure cooker.
I might not want to take my stuff here.
Okay, getting gas. Okay, we're here now. QTREX. QTREX. This is where I go all the time. So let's get into unloading. Ouvre. Let's see. This stuff. This one. And then this stuff. Dun dun dun. Okay, rolling it in. There's some stuff in it.
So light.
Look at it. This is the before. Showing you guys. There's the barrel. As you like seeing this, we have to pack as quick as we can because we have other things to do. So I'm just gonna do like a montage. And make sure you guys have a zip tie as well. Forgot to tell you guys. We're doing a technique where you deflated it. So you guys want to take I have a whole video, so I'm gonna link the shipping guide on how to. That was funny. On how to pack barrels. I'm gonna link it because I go in detail. We go in detail and we do stuff like this. So there you go. Cool thing in so far. To the top. Here we go. We're pushing. I had a whole 12 of these, so at least 3 went in. Good. That's enough. Baby.
You sure? They all can go, you know.
Because this has to go here. I had one left. One can fit on this side right here.
I'm gonna bust the cookies.
You think so?
Yeah.
But even when we sit on it, we're using this to cover the top, and we're using the ping pong on the water. This is gonna be fun in Jamaica. I bought a ping pong blow up thingy, and then you can play with it on the water. Okay, we're just closing the. Here. So this is it. I don't know about that one, but I wouldn't be surprised. Oh. We have to throw bare of our garbage, well, our boxes in here. Sorry. Because we took everything out of the boxes. That's how we got everything to fit. So that's a tip I share in the video. Just to let you guys know. Like, don't keep your stuff in boxes. Right, come on now. We're just wasting space. Don't underestimate Annesha Adams. And her packing. Please don't. Okay, we're en route to this place that we saw on TikTok. We're gonna try it out.
Oh, so I seen this hockey thing. Well, it's supposed to be in the morning.
What if it's bad?
Hold on.
And I have to throw the food out there.
No,
then we
joking.
just dip then.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and we'll tell you if it tastes good or not. You guys like my outfit?
That's why I said let's go to Jack Astor. No.
She wants to try Jack Astor's. We want to try that place that we
Actually,
seen
she
on
was the one
TikTok.
who gave us the.
The idea to go. God, look at that.
No.
It was probably someone's family that made that TikTok
Look at the
for them.
convenience store. Look at the plaza.
Look
that
at it.
You
Let's just go for the experience. Let's just
No. What is this called?
Pull up.
We're not going. I think we're gonna catch food poisoning.
No,
if
we're
we
not going.
go.
We can't.
Yeah, so we're leaving out of here because this plaza is a no for us. The plaza alone turned me off, and I was like, I'm gonna get food poisoning if I eat from here. And then the place was not how it looked on TikTok. So guys, we're just going to Jack Astor's. It's sad because we actually wanted to come and try this out. I want to yellow tape the whole place.
He's bugging out the shirt.
Yellow tapes. Okay, so we're going somewhere else now.
That is so funny. She's not even
Oh, we're
here.
in Pickering, by the way. It was like South Pickering, as she
Yeah.
said. So yeah, it was a no for us.
I thought Frankie was lying when she said the place was cafe.
Why does this look so? Okay, we're at Jack Astor's.
Thrifted, Old Navy, and then Aldo. And then this is from Shein.
She's the youngest one out of all of us. Go have a closer a little bit more. Okay, smile them. We look exactly alike.
I'm too shy. I'm too shy.
Oh, what are those on your feet?
Crocs, what do you know about Crocs?
Yeah.
Crocs demos, bro. And supposedly you're rich if you have Crocs. And it's like only 6.
We're here now.
Today I found myself going like this in my glasses.
Yeah, I do that sometimes. I used to do that at one point.
She always used to do that and clap over her laptop.
It looks so bad.
It's too big. Like they're sliding off.
Loosey?
Yeah, so you just automatically do this because it's already off your face and stuff. Anyways, yeah.
We just ordered some stuff, so once the food comes, we'll get back to you. This smooths out your skin so much.
It's so annoying.
Yeah, it makes it look too fake, like you're faking it for the camera.
You don't think the people on YouTube do that? Like, what's happening?
Where is this?
In Jamaica.
Why is the boy fighting her?
Hey guys, so I'm getting the
Two boys
buffalo
are fighting
chicken
her.
sandwich. Don't listen to what she's saying. She's kind of drunk right now. But I'm getting the buffalo chicken sandwich.
Oh
or
my
I'm getting
gosh,
the
they're
crispy
fighting
chicken
her with the
sandwich. I'll tell you if you
children.
guys taste good.
Hold on.
Bonjour tout le monde.
She saw the
Aujourd'hui, news avec. No, joking, I don't remember.
Je ne sais pas français.
So, anyways, we found this. It was kind of tragic. Sorry.
Yeah.
We found this thing on TikTok. We found this video on TikTok where these people went to a restaurant in a different city that's close to us. So we were interested because it looks good from the video.
Yeah, you know it's Pickering.
And it's in mush up. And we went and we didn't know it was in the plaza that we were like driving past, and the plaza was honestly like teared down, broke down. Like
It was broke up like a low-end plaza. You know the low-end
And
plazas
some
have
guy
low-end stores in it? Yeah.
some guy was digging out his front and eating food off of it. So we're like, yeah, we have to go. This is
Yeah, sitting on the
traumatizing.
sidewalk doing it. And then I was like, just like the quality of the building, I was like, I would never eat here.
So we started screaming.
Well, not
because-
building, the plaza, sorry.
because the restaurant was legit like this big. Like it was
Yeah, they
super
catfish.
small.
They catfish. Like on TikTok, they made it look big and like high end, like the new spot. Come try out.
Yeah.
And then we went. We were like, U-turn. Like we literally, like I think we would probably get like
food poisoning.
food poisoning eating there. And it was like a pub. Like it looked like a pub, like just locals. Not saying anything's wrong, but like low end, like people just go in and come and all that.
Yeah.
So we're here now at Jack Astor.
Yeah. Which I said to go to at first. So.
Oh yeah, she did. Now they're doing these.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I have a sangria. Cute. What is this one called again?
I actually don't know.
And then she got poured water.
I really like that.
Wait, who got beer?
Come back. Put it back. It looks good. So click it and then
I already know.
Like, whatever the person's name is, like, what y'all doing, what y'all doing?
I can't even remember.
It was like before the police.
Oh yeah, they were fighting each other and stuff. Chosen garlic bread.
Just good. Put her glasses on.
Okay, I got a Chipotle burger and then they got chicken sandwiches.
1 sec.
That's all they offer here.